Max, your Journey Tribe, RV community, welcome back to your favorite camping YouTube channel on the planet. My name is Alvin, and today, guys, we have a full review, full tour of our second RV that we're adding to our rental fleet. It's the Sunset Trail 299QB. You don't want to miss this one, guys. This thing is loaded. Beautiful, pretty, but it does have some cons. I don't know why they did some stuff, but I'll show you everything in this video. So if you're interested in Sunset Trail, if you're interested in buying this model, the 299QB, I'm sure a lot of the other models follow suit, but you can check out all the details to this one right now. And if you're interested in RV rental stuff, check out the channel as well. We do reviews, campground tours, family adventures. Stay tuned and max your journey with us, guys. Let's get into it. All right, Max Your Journey Tribe, we're going to start on the outside and work our way in. I will show you all the details to this 299QB by Sunset Trail. It's a 2022, so let's get into it. So we start back here in the back corner. They kept the classic grill that they've been going with, the grates. Now this right here, I'm going to let you know pros and cons as we walk through. This we do not like, guys, because it is hard to clean down in that grease trap. It does not pop out, so the grease just builds up. And I'm talking about this one right here, guys. So the grates make it hard to clean as well. Now, a pro to this is you still have the quick connect right here. You can run propane tanks off of here, but you also can rig that up to run a Blackstone griddle, which we usually keep right here, and we will be supplying with our renters. Outside fridge runs off electricity. Good working space right here. Now in the back, you'll notice we are still pre-wired, but we don't have a ladder. So I think the roof is walkable. I think this is just an option that they got rid of to basically save money because it was hard to get items to come in. I've seen some other reviewers talk about it, and that's fine. So let me show you around the backside. We might got somebody here. Asher. So the slide is out. You see it here along the house. That is where your dinette and stuff will be. I'll show you inside, but this pass-through is awesome. Let's check it out, guys. Just a sneak peek. This leads you into a quad bunk. I'll show you that from the inside. That is nice and handy when you're loading up the storage and stuff. You'll see that. Now down below, you have your black and gray tank here. Now on the other side, which I'll show you, they have an additional gray tank. So this model actually comes with two gray tanks that are functional. Love the wheels on here. And it has a center entryway now, center entryway. And you have your awning up top, guys, which runs from the midsection all the way to the back rather than the front to the midsection. Electric stabilizers, they kept those. We love those. I will not go back to anything but these, guys. Your front pass-through, they do have these new latches. Check it out. They're not the magnets. They're more like a push. Locks them in there. I like those so far. We got us a rug. LED lights are in here, as well as your pass-through has its connections on the other side. We'll get into that too. Propane tanks come standard, but now they have moved the quick disconnect outside. This lets you save your battery charge until you need it. So that is great. We have that on our other 2020 model. If you haven't checked that out already, please check it out. So right here inside, you have your city water, black flush tank, fresh tank fill up. They moved the disconnect that used to be right here to the outside of the camper. This is where your drain of water is going to be. I like that they did push the lip back around here, but still allows water to kind of bounce up on this, and I don't like that. But they did fix that issue. There used to be water that would get in here and have no way to really drain in here. So you see this big lip, it's still going to have a hard time to get in there. Water's going to fill up down here and then have to make its way in here. It's going to be impossible, guys. That's a drawback. The other gray tank right here, guys. The other gray tank is right here, and that's a nice little feature that they added. Gives you more capacity when you're boondocking or less times you got to dump the tank. But now, guys, now we got to get inside. We got to check this out. Beautiful, beautiful camper. You have the solid steps, which I will not settle for anything less than. These are beautiful. You're walking in. This is what you're going to see in our model. Decor everywhere. Your thermostat is right here on this wall, and this does come standard. We did not add this. Now the pictures and everything is all brought to you by Amazon, guys. So you walk in, and we'll swing right over here to the kitchen. You have a 12-volt fridge, guys. The 12-volt fridge is extra nice, but it's also functional and huge. Check this out. These things get extremely cold very, very fast, guys. I think it's 2 hours and it's already ice cold. Within an hour, it's freezing in there. You got your nice gas burner, 3-burner, very easy to use. As well, the LEDs that come on top and a beautiful light in the middle. Now we move over here. You don't have the farm style sink. You have the 2 sinks. So we love the farm style better, but that's okay. Let's check out the storage. Down here, they still have the pull-out drawers. If you're interested, guys, those are nice. Gives you a little bit of room, but it doesn't go deep inside that way. Now up top, deeper drawer here. And then you have 2 openings right here, guys. So a little bit of storage, not too crazy. I'll back up. That is the kitchen area. It is nice. So from there, we'll go to the dinette area. Now this folds out into a bed. It has some curtains as well as some plugs here. You still have the USB hookups over there in the corner to plug those electronics up and charge them. Now this does lay down to a bed and has storage below. So that is a bonus. Moving over here next to it, guys, I love these recliners. They're not just functional, but they're actually extra comfy. So as you see here, they lay out. You got the pillows there. You got some more decor here and blacked out curtains everywhere, so you get plenty of light in here. I'm just going to show you all around. Right here, got some nice decor. And right in front of that, you have your entertainment stand. Now about these chairs, if you're tall like myself, guys, let's check it out. I'm going to sit in it. I'm going to sit in it and I'm going to let the legs go up. This is a drawback for me. It might not be for you. So I'm sitting here and my legs, they come about halfway to my legs. So I can't really sit all the way back or relax because it pushes it down, but that's fine. The TV's right here. It's on a swivel. Your gauges are right here. Now this would be one of my biggest drawbacks. Why is it right here? So the kids can touch it, babies, especially, not our kids, not Asher, but babies. They would touch it, and I think it needs to be here. So when you put the slide out, or you put the lights on when you walk in, or even your awning, you can actually visually see it rather than it be here, guys. So I do not like that part. But it's just one small thing. Now there is no pantry behind here like some other models that you've seen. I won't name those brands. You do have a massive storage closet, pantry, whatever you want, and you can put those big pots in here, no problem. Air fryer, maybe even a small griddle, tanks, plenty of room there, guys. Okay, from there we have a bedroom and a bathroom. This is our bathroom, guys. Little decor. As you see here, light it up for you. I'll show you around. You still have your standard plastic toilet with the step. It gives you more room. Now the shower, I will get in here. I am taller and I do have my shoes on, but I'll show you guys what it looks like for a tall guy. So this is me. I like the curve. It gives me that room to still shower off and just duck down a little bit. But the curve is a necessity that I need, as well as the curved roof, guys. But if you're in the shower, this is what you're looking at. Your issues here will be height, but I got that covered for you guys. This plastic little film for your closet. You basically have to bang that in the corner there for it to catch, but it's also cheap enough to replace, so I'm not stressing it. Now, when it comes to the toilet, I always got to sit down for you guys. Let's check it out. Bigger guy, sitting down. You'll see my leg space here, legs here, as well as the door closed there. So there's space wide, that's important. But you also have this little extra wide space if you're a little shorter than me to get real wide. Hey, you might need it to reach in here, right? You got the RV stuff, toilet paper, drop-ins, has some nice storage in here. But the bonus here, extra space here, but you also got your vent up here, so you can vent it out in here. You have to make sure you have that open, but you also get lots of storage in here, guys. Check it out. Tons of storage, tons of room. You even got little cubbies under there, fold some towels up or anything like that. Great space. Now this right here, guys, for rentals is major. Bedding, sleeping space. You can always use this as storage. So you got one bunk, light or plenty of windows, two bunks, nice little quiet cubby back there, three bunks, four bunks. Now this bottom bunk, I'm going to show you with one hand, and this is that pass through, guys. Sorry, this is that pass through. So you take the pillows. You might not even have to move the bedding, but I'm going to show you this right here. Push down on the bottom part, fold it away, and now you got play space for the kids. You got a pack and play area, guys. I'll step back a little bit. It gives you tons of functional room. And this one goes up and it latches against the wall right there, guys. So you get even more space when the kids want to sit there, play, or even watch a TV that you might mount here one day. Cubbies for each one. If you don't know, the Max Your Journey tribe has 4 kiddos. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We got us covered, guys. You got some plugs up here and along the bed, guys. So check it out. Let me know what you think down in the comments. We're going to show you guys the master bedroom, guys. I love this. There used to be a center console on our other model. You have the pocket doors here as well as the pocket doors back there for the kids, guys. So here, you come in, you slide that pocket door open, and here you go. A king bed, guys. King bed. This is absolutely awesome. We do have a skylight here. We have a skylight there, but we keep ours plugged to keep the hot and cold air out. Storage all the way around. I'll let you see. That goes all the way down. So across the whole top. And then in here you have your classic hangers with a little bit of room at the bottom, guys. King bed. We added a 2-inch memory foam topper for our renters. Pillows, big. But on top of that, you have tons of storage if you plan on living in this thing or taking those long trips, so rest assured. Now, they always call this a pet space. It's basically a junk space. Maybe not even for your shoes, because who's trying to climb under there? But you do get the room around the side of the beds to walk in, and your air vents, heat and cool. And this uses a blade system, guys. So you have a TV mount here. The blade system is a little different. It allows the air to come out 360 degrees. I'll show you how to use that in one of my other videos. And you have your AC unit there. Now, the cool thing about this RV, it is 50 amps, guys. It's a 50 amp hookup. And it also is pre-wired right here for that hookup for a second AC unit in the bedroom. If you want to be ice cold, second AC unit right there. And another one right here. That is it, guys. So hopefully you like this model. This is our rental unit. A second one, we do use it for personal use, and we will be using this one more. But we love the layout, guys. The big room for the bunks is a must. It allows you to sleep more people. So 4 to about 5 back there. You can sleep somebody here. You can get two people here. Whole bunch of kids here. Plenty of room. Pocket doors are a must. We got the windows coming in. Everything. And we love the 12-volt fridge, guys. So if you like the content, smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and max your journey with us, guys. Check out some other awesome videos like these ones right here. Stay tuned for more. I got some more videos coming, usually on Thursdays, guys. Thank you. Max your journey.